Twisted Peppermint. It's from Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and sorry I look really busted and my room is a little messy, but I'm actually in a rush right now. But we're gonna be running errands, so you guys are gonna come along with me. We fell in love.
What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get the raspberry boba?
Raspberry boba, of course, what size?
Medium, please.
Medium, okay. Anything else for you?
No, that'll be all.
Alright, it'll be size 25 at the window.
Thank you. So guys, so yesterday, I wasn't really able to film. I wasn't able to film a lot that was going on because me and my mom were in a rush. So, I'm gonna take you along with me today again. But this time we're gonna go to Target and I'm basically, oh my god, stop.
Sorry if you can't hear me. I'm gonna try to talk as loud as I can because my car is really loud. And it's really windy. Please don't fall. And I have no music playing.
My second gear is messed up, so I have to shift early. Or else it'll be like, if you drive stick, you know what I'm talking about, so. Shift early.
Can this light turn right? I'm going really slow so that way I have to stop and go because I know the camera's gonna fall. Please turn. Please turn. Yeah, it's not gonna turn.
So I'm here at Target. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm already mad. Like, I'm mad because people can't drive. It makes me so mad when a person can't drive. But it's okay. Okay, so ow, what am I sitting on? I just got back and I spent almost 100. So sorry if the lighting is bad. Lighting is so bad. I'm so sorry. Very slow road here, guys. It was kind of packed. I mean, it was packed. What am I mean, kind of? But I can't even speak English right now. Oh, the poor lady. I'm sorry. I don't have no money. Anyways, so oh my god, you can't even see me. The main reason why I went was because I needed thumbtacks, the push pins, whatever you want to call them. I needed them so I could start like decorating my room for like the season. And they didn't have any. They had some, but they didn't have the ones I needed so that I could hang stuff in there. So now I'm gonna go to Walgreens to go find some. God, this car is like right on my ass, and I'm being some ass right now. Oh, I turned on the wrong street. Dude, oh my goodness, you cannot see. I'm gonna drive like this. So yeah, what is this?
Gang banging, everybody in the party doing slang it. Work so hard till your hair turn gray. Let me tell you my life about the one you is. You see me live by the colors, so we got by the time you
Uh-oh. Yeah, there's a copter there. Where else is so packed, bro? So I'm back. It's been a while since I came back from the store, and I'm so mad. Oh, my net chair. And I'm so mad because that's my gaming chair, by the way. But I'm so mad because when I was recording in the car, I was looking back at the videos right now, and I realized I put the video in slow-mo. The whole time, I was like talking really, really slow. Here's your language. It's raining. I love the rain. Anyways, okay, so now I'm gonna decorate my room. It's all Christmas stuff, so don't mind. Like, I know it's fall, and you're like, Caitlin, what the hell? It's fall. It's not Christmas yet. Oh my god, I love the rain. Anyways, okay. I love Christmas, so I'm gonna take advantage of this year. I never decorate my room, like ever. Like, I never decorate for no season or anything. But Christmas, this year I was like, okay, I'm gonna decorate. I'm sorry if I'm talking really fast. I'm just really excited because it's raining and I love the rain. Oh my god. It's the season to be jolly fall. Twisted Peppermint It's from Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. I got this little thing for my door. This, I don't know where I'm gonna put this at, but I got this. And then I like this so much. It's so cute. It's like a Christmas tree in like winter, and it's like snowing. Swap out. You can tell it's dusty. I'm telling you, I never decorate. I love vitamin water. You guys should try it. If you haven't tried it, go try it. I love the ring. Oops. Ow. That looks even, right? Oh well, it's okay. You see how long this is? This is like super long. I'm literally using this as hand sanitizer. What the fuck? It fell off. Bruh. Okay. Bro, we still have all of that. The air is just...
Go to market, go to market, go to market, go to market.
I think I messed up the angle because I almost fell. But I don't really see much of a difference. So I'm finished with my room. It's not really much of a difference because I still haven't got like Christmas covers for my bed or Christmas pillows, and I don't even have batteries for my lights because they died. And when I post my videos, you'll see my room is going to change a lot more, so don't worry, I'm not done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I tried my best with decorating, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video because the next video I'm really excited for. So bye.